What is going on today, guys? So today we're going to be 3D printing a Carabiner, I think is how you pronounce it. But that's what we're going to be 3D printing. So this Carabiner is all 3D printed. There are no parts that you have to buy. So here's the main body, and here's the clip part. And if you couldn't tell, we are using a Robo 3D R1, but we are using an R1 Plus because that's what I have. So, also sorry if I start coughing because I'm just getting over a cold, but besides the point. So what we're going to do is we're going to grab this, and I've already made one of these before and it turned out fine, but I figured I'll make one for a video. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into our settings. I'm going to print at medium settings, and then I'm going to go to the infill, and we're going to put the infill at 85. Last time I printed at 25, which is plenty strong, guys. Don't really need anything bigger than that. But we're going to go ahead and print this one at 85 just for kicks. So got 85 on that. We're printing at medium quality. So next I am going to try to put this here. Now at no means am I a professional, so this could be interesting. So I guess we just go here, and then we find our file. It's going to insert two of them, and then we can just go ahead and remove that one. We'll go ahead and arrange these two. That's it, that's about right. Hit save. And then if we go into our layer view and hit generate, we get, eventually when it slices it, we get left with a 2-hour print in 5 minutes, which isn't really that bad because we're printing at 85% infill on this one and not 25 like the last one I did. So I'm going to go ahead and remove this because we don't need that. All we need is this one file. And now I'm going to go ahead and export this as a G-code, which is what your printer is, what most 3D printers use. And now we are going to go ahead and get this over on the printer, and I'll catch you guys in a minute.
50 wins.
Alright guys, so here's what we're left with off the print bed. Now, sorry you didn't get to see the whole thing, camera battery died. But it just finished, you guys didn't miss much. But we're going to go ahead and get this scraped off. Came off pretty easy. And yeah, don't worry about that. So, here is what we are left with. We got this piece right here. The main clip, and then we got this. Now, you got a flat side and then you got this side. So if you look here, you got a little rounded edge here, a little rounded edge here. So that indicates that this goes in here this way. So to put this on, what you're going to want to do is you put it like this, and then you get that first part on. And then what you go ahead and do is you can go ahead and put it like that. And then you kind of just wiggle it on there. It'll eventually clip in. Sometimes it takes a little bit. Just don't break it. There we go. And you just, stick that behind there. It's all put together. And it even closes on its own. There's no spring. You don't have to buy any springs. So, and this one is really strong because we printed at 85% infill. So, all in all, great design. Whoever designed this, it's pretty awesome. But yeah, there's the design. So, if you like the video, leave a like, comment, subscribe. Give me suggestions for more things to print. And yeah, that's it.